everybody, Cassie McClellan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to give you guys some things to help you open your hips a little bit, particularly if you are spending any time driving or working at a desk. We start to shorten our hip flexors and it starts to create some lower back pain, so let's address some of that stuff. So this first pose that we're gonna do is just gonna be a low lunge. So you'll start from your downward facing dog, and you're gonna bring your thumbs a little closer together. You'll lift your right leg, lift it up as high as you like, right? Then you pull it forward, place it to the outside of your hand, and then drop the back knee. So this space that you create right here is opening your hip. Now lift and lengthen. So you're gonna open this back hip. Maybe you lift up, put a little pressure on that hip. Then you're gonna maybe take your left hand to the floor again. This right foot is gonna come outside the mat. It's gonna turn out to a 45-degree angle, so maybe 2 o'clock on the clock face. And then the sole of the foot's gonna be off the floor. So look what that does to your knee. It opens the knee. Continue to open that knee up. Find some twist. Breathe deeply. Lengthen your spine on the inhale, rotate on your exhale. So this is a great place to stay. If you want to add some variation to it, you could bend the back knee, reach for the back ankle, and tug it in. I'm going to give you a little extra in your left hip flexor. If you still don't have quite enough here, you could take your left elbow to the floor. Maybe you again grab this foot. Maybe you just stay with this low lunge, opening it. And of course, you'll want to do both sides. Taking a couple deep breaths. And just, a few minutes a day will keep you from shortening, because that's what causes the pain, the shortening of the muscles. Thank you so much for joining. Like, subscribe.